7 hidden benefits of beans for longevity. Hello and welcome, friends. Today, we're uncovering one of nature's best-kept secrets for a longer, healthier life: beans. Yes, these humble little powerhouses are a staple in the diets of the world's longest-living people, and science backs up their incredible benefits for seniors like us. But here's the catch. While beans silently boost longevity, many common foods we eat daily are quietly harming our aging bodies. So in this video, I'll share 7 hidden benefits of beans that can help you stay sharp, energetic, and vibrant well into your golden years. Plus, what to avoid to make the most of these benefits. Let's dive in. Did you know that in places like Sardinia, Italy, and Nicoya, Costa Rica, people regularly live past 100? Researchers found that beans are the #1 dietary predictor of longevity in these blue zones, even more than vegetables or whole grains. A landmark study tracking elderly adults across 5 countries revealed that eating just 20 grams of beans daily, about 2 tablespoons, was linked to an 8% lower risk of death. Another study of over 1 million people found that 50 grams of beans a day reduced early death risk by 6%. So why are beans so powerful? They're packed with nutrients that combat aging at the cellular level: fiber, plant-based protein, antioxidants, and even compounds that protect your DNA. They fight chronic inflammation, the silent killer. As we age, chronic inflammation drives diseases like arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. But beans are rich in polyphenols, potent antioxidants that reduce inflammation. Studies show bean eaters have lower markers of inflammation and a reduced risk of heart disease by up to 22%. Black beans and kidney beans are especially high in these anti-inflammatory compounds. Try adding them to soups or salads. Just half a cup a day can make a difference. They protect your heart like a shield. Heart disease is the leading cause of death for seniors, but beans are like nature's heart medicine. Their soluble fiber binds to cholesterol and removes it from your body. Research shows bean consumption can lower LDL, bad cholesterol, by 10% and reduce heart attack risk. Plus, beans are packed with potassium and magnesium, minerals that regulate blood pressure. One study found seniors eating beans 4 times a week had a 22% lower heart disease risk. For a heart-healthy meal, try Sardinia's minestrone soup with chickpeas, fava beans, and veggies, a recipe passed down by centenarians. They stabilize blood sugar. If you're worried about blood sugar spikes, beans are your best friend. Their fiber and resistant starch slow digestion, preventing sugar crashes. A 2023 study found that replacing rice or pasta with beans lowered blood sugar levels by 30% in seniors. This is huge for diabetes prevention. In fact, blue zone cultures like Okinawa eat tofu and soybeans daily, and they have some of the lowest diabetes rates in the world. Pro tip: pair beans with vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers to boost iron absorption. Great for anemia prevention. Now, before we move to the next 4 game-changing benefits, I'd love to hear from you. Do you already eat beans regularly? What's your favorite way to enjoy them? Share in the comments. And if you're finding this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more senior health wisdom. In Part 2, we'll cover how beans boost brain health, strengthen your gut, and even help you live longer. Plus, the surprising foods you should swap out to protect your aging body.